Today we're diving into the top 5 smart door locks of 2025. These innovative locks offer enhanced security, convenience, and integration with your favorite smart home ecosystems. Whether you're upgrading your home or adding a layer of smart security, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Aqara Smart Lock U200, a versatile and feature-packed smart lock designed for seamless keyless entry. This lock includes a fingerprint keypad for quick access and is compatible with the latest Matter-over-Thread standard, ensuring robust and fast connectivity with various smart home devices. With Apple Home Key integration, you can unlock your door using your iPhone or Apple Watch for ultimate convenience. The lock supports Apple Home, Alexa, and SmartThings, making it a fantastic addition to any smart home setup. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, and the sleek design complements any modern door. If you're looking for security, style, and smart functionality, the Aqara U200 has it all. Next on our list is the ULTRALOQ Bolt Fingerprint Smart Lock, a powerful smart lock that combines convenience, security, and cutting-edge technology. This lock works seamlessly with Apple HomeKit and features built-in Wi-Fi for keyless entry, eliminating the need for additional hubs. Its biometric fingerprint sensor ensures quick and secure access, while voice control compatibility with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant lets you lock and unlock your door hands-free. The ULTRALOQ Bolt's sleek design fits most standard doors, and its robust build provides reliable security. Whether you're upgrading your home or enhancing your smart ecosystem, this Wi-Fi deadbolt offers the perfect balance of functionality and style. Next on our list is the eufy Security Smart Lock C220, a sleek and reliable option for secure, keyless entry. With its built-in Wi-Fi, this smart lock offers seamless remote control via the ULTRALOQ security app, letting you lock and unlock your door from anywhere. The biometric fingerprint sensor provides fast and secure access, while the lock's durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. With up to 8 months of battery life, it minimizes the need for frequent recharging. The C220 is also rated IP53 for waterproofing, making it a great choice for front doors exposed to the elements. Certified with BHMA Grade 3 standards, it combines robust security with smart convenience. For those seeking reliability and ease of use, the ULTRALOQ Security Smart Lock C220 is an excellent pick. Next, looking for a smart, secure, and stylish way to upgrade your home? Meet the Veise Smart Lock, your all-in-one keyless entry solution. With 7-in-1 versatility, this sleek lock combines a fingerprint scanner, touchscreen keypad, and smart app control for ultimate convenience. The biometric technology ensures fast and secure access, while the smart deadbolt provides robust protection for your front door. Control and monitor your lock from anywhere using the intuitive app, perfect for granting temporary or permanent access to guests. Finished in satin nickel, the Veise Smart Lock not only enhances security but adds a modern touch to your home. Say goodbye to lost keys and hello to seamless smart entry. Next on our list is the SMONET Smart Locks Wi-Fi Deadbolt, a cutting-edge smart lock designed for modern living. This versatile lock combines keyless entry with advanced technology, featuring a fingerprint scanner, electronic keypad, and Bluetooth app control for seamless access. It's compatible with Alexa and offers remote control functionality through its included Wi-Fi gateway, letting you lock and unlock your door from anywhere. The lock also supports auto-locking and customizable access codes, making it ideal for families or frequent guests. With its durable design and easy installation, the SMONET Smart Lock is perfect for enhancing security and convenience at home. And that's a wrap on our top 5 smart door locks of 2025. Which one stood out to you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest smart home tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.